Looking for a new way to make money online? Today is your lucky day, as I will be showing you a brand new method that will make you earn hundreds of dollars every day. This strategy does not require any special skills or prior experience, so it is 100% beginner friendly. It's basically just copying and pasting, so you literally can start doing this right now. You can also do this method over and over again, so you can keep earning unlimitedly. As long as you have a mobile phone or a computer and an internet connection, you can get started on this method right away. Plus, it's 100% free, so you don't have to worry about spending anything. Before we dive right in, please do me a favor and give this video a big thumbs up, because I will be giving you all the information and tools you need so you can set up everything correctly. Make sure that you don't skip any part of this video so you won't miss any of the important details I will share with you. Otherwise, you might not get your desired results. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more ways of how to make money online, and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload new videos. The first thing that I want you to do is go on Bing.com. This platform is actually a search engine, and this works just like Google. So you can go here and just look up anything you'd like to search for. Now set that aside for now and proceed to the next step. The next thing I want you to do is go to seoclerks.com. What this website does is that it basically pays you to write or create articles now. Don't worry, because you will not be doing any writing or creating your own articles from scratch. As I've mentioned, all you need to do is copy and paste articles. Sounds easy, right? This is absolutely a great opportunity to earn, and not a lot of people know about this method yet, so you can really take advantage of this. The next website I want you to go to is conquer.io. This is similar to SEO Clerks, and you can find projects here that will pay you for writing articles. You can sign up to both SEO Clerks and Conquer for free, so you don't have to spend anything to create an account with these sites. The third website I want you to go to is zinearticles.com. This website actually contains a lot of news articles that are completely free. These are copyright-free articles with topics from literally A to Z that you can use for anything. You can search for whatever topic here, choose the article that you want, and you can sell them on both websites. Since these articles are copyright-free, it just means that it's overused, and a lot of people have probably already used these articles, and we wouldn't want to have the same article as everyone else. So now we're going to show you the ultimate way to get away from everyone else using the same exact articles. So choose the article that you like, and then copy all your favorite parts or even the whole article. After that, go to prepostseo.com, then select Article Rewriter. To use this article rewriter, paste the article that you've copied previously. You can also select a file to upload. Click on the Rewrite Article button. This will immediately rewrite the whole article for you in a snap. Copy the new version of the article and go ahead and submit the new version on the websites I have shown you earlier. As you can see, you don't have to write anything from scratch. Simply use the tools I've shown you in this video so you can have your own article. And that's it for our video today. If you haven't yet, please don't forget to leave a like for this video and share it with your family and friends too. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.